Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up the Canon PIXMA G4270 printer on your computer. So whether it's a Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device, this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser of your choice. We're going to go to Google here, and you just want to search for Canon PIXMA G4270 support. Go ahead and search for that. One of the best matches should be from a Canon.com support page here. You can see Canon support for Megatank PIXMA G4270. Go ahead and select that. And then you can view additional information through the quick links up here at the top. But I would just scroll down underneath downloads and select software and drivers. Select your correct operating system as well as the version number. And then once you made that selection, this will populate a list down here. Select the master setup option and then the download button to begin the setup installation. Run the installer once it's done downloading and make sure verify publisher is set to Canon Inc. Select yes. Close out of the web browser at this time and then select your language as well as region and then OK. And then this will walk you through the Canon PIXMA G4270 setup. So you should be able to select the Start Setup option. And then you can connect your printer to your computer via LAN, wired, USB, or wireless Wi-Fi connection. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. Just would follow along with the on-screen prompts you see on my screen. And it's a pretty straightforward process from here. So like I said, pretty straightforward. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.